There's this creator, the controller, players, gamers, and the hackers too. In a world coded out of longing, tell me now, which one are you? Everyone's inside the game, racing hard to reach the end, giving all, risking souls just to feel alive again. The oasis, endless faces, be anyone that you design. Digital dreams in neon spaces, every heart chasing the prize. But irony writes the hidden code in paths no crowd would choose. The one who dares to go backwards, who walks where none have been, who lets go of the need to conquer, is the one who truly wins. You try to win, you lose the meaning. You release, the victory begins. Playing not for crowns but wonder, that's where the truth steps in.
Because reality
is the only thing that's real. Everyone's in the oasis now, escaping wounds they never healed. A paradise of imagination, a safer world they think they feel. I see controllers in the skyline, flashing ads across the night, selling dreams of having everything while keeping hearts deprived of light. Each one plugged into illusions, thinking they have finally won, yet impoverished in the waking world when the game is done. The ones who control the oasis control society's design. I paused the screen, looked out the window, saw decay we call real time. Moral cracks, cultural rot, hidden beneath the shine. The one who dares to go backwards, who walks where none have been, who lets go of the need to conquer, is the one who truly wins. You try to win, you lose the meaning. You release, the victory begins. Playing not for crowns but wonder, that's where the truth steps in.
Because reality
is the only thing that's real. Reality, the truest adventure, a journey no one should rush through. Not a quest to finish faster, but a life to fully view. Think differently, do differently, question all you see. Take the leap of faith in loving, even with uncertainty. Stay curious, beyond the coding. Don't let systems choose your way. Break the scripts that try to own you. Choose the light of day. Go backwards when the world runs forward. Stand still when they all compete. Win by laying down the trophies. Find the victory beneath. Choose the real above the virtual. Choose the scars that make you feel. Choose the love that risk requires. Choose the world that's This life was never meant for one play, not a single run to complete. Step out into the real oasis waiting, where forever and purpose meet.